Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Unboxing today of a new Aragon watch. Now, Aragon is a US based watch manufacturer. I've had another watch off them, a tritium base watch, which I may have already put the unboxing out. If not, that will be out very soon. But I wanted to get this one out quite quickly because this is a new watch that they've launched. This is the Caprice 8040.N. And I saw it and I was like, oh, that's really nice, that is. And we'll go through it. It's not an expensive watch. So this was in their sale for about $110. I'll put a link in the description. But I wanted the first watch I got, which I forget the name of, Palmer, that was it. I really like, and I think I've got it here somewhere on my desk. Let me get into this box. Now, this comes in a few colours. Go, right. So, normal sort of box, nice solid box like that. And here we go. Ooh, beautifully wrapped. Oh, extra strap. Now this is a Swiss quartz Ronda movement. Let me get. Now this is a big boy. So I went with the 48mm version. Okay, nice box. Nicely padded warranty instructions. I'll take a look at them in a little bit, but let's kind of get to the star of the show. Now, they do this in a 48mm, which is this one, and also a 44mm. Now, I've got an 8-inch wrist, so I thought I'm going for the big one, 48. So we'll see how that looks in a minute. Really nice. I love the colour of this. This is a grey. I forget all the other colours, actually. Let me just, I've got it just open here. There's a blue, a green, silver, I think. And yeah, I'll put a link through. And there we go. So, mineral crystal. Really big date just down the bottom there, which is really nice. Obviously, this subdial is the seconds. You can see that going. Chronograph. Oof. And there we go. Screw down crown, stop and reset that. Hey, there we go, very nice. I like that. Yep, screw down crown. Can't remember what the water resistance was on this. I think it was 200 meters. Let me just have a quick peek on here. Oh, there we go. Right then. Very nice clear. I hope the loom on this is good. I'll say the other one I got was tritium, so there was no problem with loom on that because it glows whatever. So yeah, 48mm case, you know, so it is a big boy. I'll put it on my wrist in just a second. So 53mm lug to lug. That's going to be massive for a lot of people. On the 44mm, I think the lug to lug is 48 actually. Really nice. Heavy. Now it shows us 6 ounces on the website. I don't know what that is in grams, but yeah, quite heavy. Silicone strap. There we go, onto the back. Just peel this off. Screw down crown. Yeah, I know screw down crown. Yep. So as you can see, it is a quartz. But display case. I'm not so sure about the display case on the quartz. I mean, it's different, I suppose. Don't see it. There we go, stainless steel, 200 meters, there we go, it's got it on the back. Silicone strap. Now, it comes with a shorter silicone strap as well. So this silicone strap apparently will do up to 10-inch wrist. So that'd be great for me. So I'm not going to have any problems with that. Mineral crystal. A very industrial sort of look. I mean, look at that. It's all finely brushed. Loom onto the crown as well. Let me screw that back in. Let's try and put the... While I'm here, might as well put the time about right, hadn't I? Something like that. There we go. Yeah, nice. Really nice. Loving the colour of this. So it's very much a sort of dark, well, sort of mid-grey colour. Oh, date at the top as well there. Yeah, I need to get that all set up. Really nice. Yep, the other Aragon I was really pleased with. I think I'm going to like this. Let's try it on. What have I got on today? Oh, one of my favourite Citizen Eco Drives. I'll put a link to that in the corner. Let's see what this looks like on wrist. Let's pop this one off. Now, as I say, silicone strap. Obviously now they do other straps. They do a really nice shark mesh strap actually, which is on the website, and I may invest in one of them for maybe this watch. All right, bear with me. I'm going to take it off camera just so I don't drop it. Oh, didn't help. There's a little cover just on the actual buckle. Oh, that's the thingy. Okay, so this will do a 10-inch wrist. So I've got about 3 holes left there. And there we go. Very nice. I've got some stuff stuck to the silicone already. It's a bit static, so it's picked that up. Look at that for a really nice Aragon onto the buckle. Yeah, I'm going to see how this wears. It's a big watch though. As I say, I'm going to get away with this on an 8-inch wrist. If you've got anything smaller than that, I'll probably go with the 44mm, to be quite honest. But it's really nice. The brushing just round onto the fixed bezel there, really, really stunning. Catching the light, beautiful. Nice sunburst on it. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks to everybody that's liked and subscribed, and make sure you are subscribed because I've got some more content coming and plenty of reviews to do. I'm just starting work on those as well, so thanks.